Frozen. That is frozen again. Absolutely solid. Look at that. That's frozen. Absolutely solid frozen. Yep, that is solid frozen. That's frozen. That is frozen. That's frozen. It's cloudy this morning. Overcast. Ludsdown got down to -6 and so did Boxley. They seem to be the coldest overnight in Kent. In the UK, the coldest amateur weather station, Rough Park in Aberdeenshire, -12.6. And then the cloud came in up there as well. Frozen. Ice. I wasn't expecting to see it overcast this morning. Still a winter wonderland though. Ludsdown's currently -4.4 after an overnight low of -6. The frost didn't really lift yesterday. Skies are clearing and the temperature's falling again. Up by Cammer Park. There's a woodpecker up there. There you are. Alright, if you keep walking down there, right the way down there for about 1.5 miles, and you can see there's the hill up there of the valley. It's in a massive frost hollow, or a massive valley. It's very icy. That's Meopham Court.